Hello and welcome back to a Kooky corner of YouTube. Today we are going to be having a look at my very first TEMU order, which I have never tried before, and so just adjusting my camera there. Here it is, and without further ado, let's just slice into it like a surgeon when I do this. There we go. I don't want to damage anything on the inside, so maybe I should just slice the end. Slice the end, that's what I say. Okay, slicing. Okay, so I can't even remember what I ordered. It's going to be as much a surprise to me as it is to you. Let's get it all out and then you can investigate it all. Slidey side, slide. Ooh, interesting, yeah. I remember that, yes. Rattle, rattle, rattle. More things, more things. It wasn't a very big order, it was just kind of a testing out order. So the first thing I wanted were these stencils to use with my jelly plate. I think I've got 2 lots of those. Let's have a look and see how they do. My microphone keeps jumping around. I think I might need the slicey thing for this as well. Oh no, no. We're all good. So, oh, these are really nice. They're bigger than I thought. I thought they were, you know, sometimes you order something, they come out really small. These are lovely. Really nice. So they've got like a grid. We've got some like organic. That's like brickwork. That's like a cracked window. This one is like another organic-y one, and that looks like leopard print. Oh, very nice. I like those. I'm happy with my choices on there. Let's have a look at this one. Yeah, super happy with the size of them. They're really big. So, hoping that this one's not too much of a repetition. No, that's more like, reminds me of electrical parts. This one is another organic-y one that reminds me of branches. That's quite nice. Swirly one. These are going to be actually great for what I want them for, so this is fab. That's like a tree bark one, isn't it? This one is also very tree barky. That looks like a knot in some wood. I've still got little bits of the plastic just left in there, but that's nothing. You just pull those out. Great. Spider web. And last one is, again, very organic, kind of tree-like. Very nice. Okay. So those I am impressed with. I love the size of them. I don't think I've got a jelly plate as big as that. So they're going to work perfectly. Right, I got some of these. They are very handy for making, when I do crochet, making some little stitch markers with. So I've got a whole bunch of those. And because they were such a, I think they're only like 89p or something ridiculous. I got 3 lots of that. So that's those. Very nice. I got some charms. So I've got a mixed set of, I think 3 bags of one set and 1 bag of another set. I think that's how it went. Let's have a look. Tip some out into my hand. Oh, quite weighty. Nice. Look, pretty. Very pretty. There's a little moth and some leaves. Oh, very nice, a little starfish. What's that one? Oh, it's like a reindeer. That's quite a heavy one. Oh, look, a tiny little leaf. I thought these would be great on some of my cuff bracelets. They go very well with that. So impressed with those. Those were really, really cheap as well. In fact, everything was really, really cheap, I have to be honest. Yeah, so those are all more of the same, different mixes in each bag, I think. Then I got some of these that Annie recommended, Annie Claxton from Marty Party Annie's. It's these little blender brushes. Let's have a little open of one of them. They're all the same, just different colours. Ooh, they're so soft. I didn't quite understand how soft they were when Annie mentioned it. They're super. So I got a great big pack of those. I think there's 10 in there. They're going to come in super handy for inks and stuff, blends. I also thought, I wondered if they work with pastel. I will try them and I'll let you know. Next thing I got was, let's go into this one, the mysterious package. Aha, these are the wax melts, not wax melts, what am I saying? The wax melty things to do the stamping with. So you get all those different colours. It's 2 colourways. I think there's a pink one and this green and blue one. And I kind of fancied that one. And a little melting thing to put your melts in, and then you pour it out and you do a seal with this. Let's have a look, see if I can open it up. Grab that out of there, it's nice and heavy. And that's got like a little leafy seal on there, and it's got a handle that screws into. So that's very nice. Can't get it out now. Let's get that on here. Wind it up. It's really nice and heavy. I like that. And then to go along with that, I presume this is the other thing I got, which is, it's a little thing to put your wax melt in, so that you don't have to sit there holding it. What happens is you put like a little tea light candle underneath there, and then that sits on top. And then you put these inside. I don't know how many it takes to do one stamp. Let's say we put 2 in, or 3. And then that would melt. Then you'd pour it out onto your parcel or letter and do the stamp into the seal. Well, I was kind of fancying having a go at that. So that's really nice. Again, it was really cheap, super, super cheap. So there we have it, my little small haul. But all the things I got were things that I actually wanted anyway. There's a lot of things I didn't want that I could have bought, let me tell you. But I was looking for some of these before, so I thought when I saw them, I'll get some of those and make some little stitch markers for my crochet. And I'll let you know how these work. But super interesting, because I was going to get some more of these stencils anyway to go on my jelly plate. So I think I'm well set up for those now. That's great. Anyway, that was just a quick show and tell of what I got from TEMU. I will leave a link down below to the TEMU website if you want to go and be temptatious, do a little bit of temptatious shopping. Have a great evening. Bye for now.